Today, we're diving into two more affordable classics from the 70s, perfect for any collector or project enthusiast. From the stylish Mercury Cougar XR7 to the iconic Ford Thunderbird, these vintage rides have tons of potential and charm. Let's get into it. Car number 1, 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe, $3,000. Located in Apache Junction, Arizona. Next up is this classic 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 in striking red with a white interior. Under the hood, it's powered by a 351 Cleveland 2V engine, and it's paired with an automatic transmission for a smooth ride. This model comes with a factory sunroof, a rare feature that adds to its unique appeal. The car has received quite a bit of attention with several new updates, including new carpet, brakes with rotors, drums, pads and shoes, fresh front wheel bearings, a new distributor, and a freshly tuned up new carburetor. While it runs great, it does need new tires to be fully road ready. The owner has several projects and is looking to pass this one on for just what they've put into it, priced at $3,000. Car number 2, 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $2,500. Located in Sacramento, California, here's a stylish 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe in a matching brown exterior and interior. A classic color combo that reflects its era beautifully. Driven 79,313 miles, this Thunderbird is powered by a 351M motor and features an automatic transmission. The car is noted to start, run, and drive well, with a non-operational status currently in place. This coupe also sports custom wheels and tires, giving it a personalized touch. The paperwork is being handled through a lien sale, so it's worth checking out the details if you're interested in bringing this T-Bird home. At $2,500, this Ford Thunderbird is an affordable classic ready for the right enthusiast to restore it to its former glory. That wraps up today's classic finds. If you're looking for a unique project or just want to cruise in style, these cars might be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which car you'd love to restore. See you in the next video with more vintage deals.